Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can download files on WP's Office app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the WPS Office app and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, tap on the Create button and you will be able to create a new file, such as a document, PDF, Excel sheet, or presentation. Select the preferred one and then choose a template from here. I will then edit the template and tap on the Save icon at top left corner. Now, under the path, it is set to WPS Cloud by default. You can change the location by tapping on the arrow and then selecting your local storage by tapping on the location. Tap on it, give it a name, and for the extension you can change it to a document, text file, or a PDF. You can then save the document and it will be saved onto your local storage. So that's basically how you can download files on WP's Office app. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.